Okay, this is a correction to question 13. It says P is inversely proportional to the square of x. When the value of x is increased from a to a plus 1, the value of P is halved. So find the exact value of k. So first of all, you've got this. P is equal to k over x squared, because that's P is proportional to, or inversely proportional to the square of x. And then I've said let P equal 2y when a is equal to x is equal to a. So that means instead of P, write your 2y, and then it's k over a squared. And I've called it 2y because it is halved. So that was a mistake I made in the last one. So let then P then equals y then when x is equal to a plus 1, and then we'll go from here. So that means y is equal to k over a plus 1 squared. And that means double that, so you'll get 2y is equal to 2k over a plus 1 squared. So what we're going to do is just put the 2y equal to the 2y. So this thing in yellow I have up above here, I'll do it in blue here so you can sort of see it. So this thing, put that equal to this thing here. So the thing in sort of blue, yellow, and the thing in green, put those equal. So you're going to have k over a squared is equal to 2k over a plus 1, and that is squared. So then if you divide through by k, you're just going to have 1 over a squared is equal to 2 over a plus 1 squared. And that's a wee bit of cross multiplying. So I'm going to write that down again, and I'll zoom in on it. 1 over a squared is equal to 2 over a plus 1, and that's all squared. And we'll go from here, cross multiply. You're going to have a plus 1 all squared is equal to 2 times a squared. If you do your a plus 1 out, you'll have a plus 1 upon a plus 1 is equal to 2a squared. Do that out, you'll have a squared plus 2a plus 1 is equal to 2a squared. Bring it all to one side, I'll bring it to the right hand side. You're going to have 2a squared minus, no, you're not going to have 2a squared, you're going to have a squared. A squared minus 2a minus 1, which means a is equal to 2 plus or minus 2 squared plus or, minus my 4ac, 4 times my a, which is 1, times my c, which is minus 1. And that's all divided by 2. And then if you sort that out, you're going to have a is equal to 2 plus or minus, that's going to be 4 plus 4, which is going to be root 8, all over 2. And then that is the same as 2 plus or minus 8. Root 8 is the same as 2 root 2. So that's what you're going to have. And your a is equal to 1 plus or minus root 2. So your answer, a is equal to 1 plus root 2 or 1 minus root 2. And that should be the answer.